Hi all, I've got some exciting updates to share with you. I'm here today at the Rhyd-y-car West site. You may have seen that we recently received a letter from Welsh Government to confirm that the Rhyd-y-car West planning application will be passed back to Merthyr County Borough Council to determine. When the application went to the Planning, Regulatory and Licensing Committee in March 2025, the committee voted unanimously against the recommendation within the report to refuse the application, essentially showing their support for it. I, for one, am so thrilled about this and how it's going to attract people from far and wide, create jobs, boost our economy and offer many opportunities for our future generations. This is a real opportunity to put Merthyr firmly on the map as a world-class destination, and it's exciting that we're a step closer to making this a reality. The outline planning application will be presented to the Planning, Regulatory and Licensing Committee early in the new year for a decision, so watch this space. I'd like to remind you all that our Glebeland site naming competition is still running. We've already received over 100 entries and you could be in with a chance to win £50 in We Love Merthyr vouchers. Entries close December the 5th, so get your ideas in. For all you parents out there, our school Christmas Advent calendar kicks off on the 1st of December. Keep an eye on our social media channels for your little ones singing Christmas carols and spreading some Christmas cheer. And finally, Phase 2 of our budget consultation is now open. We'll be travelling to different areas of the county borough in both the morning and evening, asking residents for their views. Be sure to check out our website for an upcoming roadshow near you. If you're unable to make one of our face-to-face sessions, you can always have your say online. That's all from me this week. Have a great weekend, see you all soon and take care. Diolch.